Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to implement the sending of images in real time. So let's start coding. First thing will be to import SwiftUI. Then we need to add photo picker. So here it will be .photo picker, and we will use the one with matching. So as you can see, first one will be a binding boolean. So we will go to our view model, and here we will add published var show photo picker. It will be a boolean, and by default it will be equal to false. Then here we will call it, so it will be $view model dot show, and for some reason it doesn't appear, show photo picker. Okay, then we need a photo picker item. So here we need also to import photo UI. Then here we will have add published var selected image of type photo picker item, and it will be optional. And here we will call it, so it will be $view model dot selected image. For some reason the auto completion is not working. Then for matching it will be dot any, and as you can see it will be an array, so it will be here dot images and dot node and dot video. Okay, perfect. That way we can only select images. Okay, now we need to toggle our for show photo picker so we can display it. So this image paperclip, I need to make it a button, so it will be button with action and label. For the label it will be this one, and for the button it will be view model dot show photo picker dot toggle. And I'm going here a little bit fast because we already did something similar in when we were updating our profile image. Okay, now we need I want, when my selected image is has a new item, I want to be able to load the image. So here we will add a private func load image. It will take as an argument photo picker item, so it will be with item, and it will be of type photo picker item, and it will be optional. It will be async throws, and here when it changes I will use did set, and when it changes I want to call my load image. So, and because it's asynchronous, so I will use a task. It will be task try await load image, and with item, and I will give it my selected image. Okay, perfect. As you can see, my item, photo picker item, is optional. I will need to unwrap it. So first thing it will be guard let item equal item else return. The second thing, I need to get the data from this item. So to do so it will be guard let data equal item dot load transferable with the type, as we said, data dot self else return. And I forgot the try await, so try await. Okay, perfect. Now that I got the data, I need the UI image. So to do so it's easy. It will be guard let UI image equal, and as you know, UI image got an initializer with data as an argument, and it will be UI image, and I give it the data, else return. Now I want to store, to get the image from the UI image, I want to store it in a variable, so I will create a variable that I will call it add published var message image. It will be of type image, and it will be equal to image an empty one. Okay, and here it will be self dot message image will be equal to image, and I will give it the UI image. Okay, perfect. Now that I got the message image, I want to be able to update my message image, so I will add another function, private func, and I will call it update message image. It will take UI image as an argument, and let's add with UI image, and it will be async throws. Okay, and about this function update message image, then I will call it here, so it will be try wait update message image, and I'm going to give it the UI image. Okay, perfect. That's the first thing to do. The second thing, for the update message image, I need to be able first to send a message with message text and everything, and in message text I need to give it the image URL. So I need to first be able to upload the image to Firestore, then to as you know, to send a message with a message text that is the image URL, and of course with its image that is true. Okay, to do so, like we did before, we will go to our image uploader, and we will create a new function. Of course, we can use the same function and just change the path here. We can even add the argument, for example, where I specify the path, but for now I will use it. I will create a new function later. I will probably create a video where we do some refactoring and some code cleaning and improvement, but for now it will be upload message image, and here it will be message image, and that's all we need to change. Everything with this function, as you can see, we will upload our video to a folder called message image, and it will return to us the image URL. So first thing, we get the image URL, so to be guard let image URL equal image uploader dot upload message image, and we give it the UI image. Okay, perfect. And of course, try wait. I tend to forget it. Else, of course, also return. Okay. After I execute this line of code, I uploaded the image to our storage and I got the image URL. So I need to send the message now. So it will be service.send message, and I will give it the image URL as message text. I will give it the chat partner. For is image, I will give it true. For is video, it will be false, and for is audio, it will be false. And that's all we need to send the message. Now we need to be able to fetch that message. So we will go to our chat message cell, and I'm not going to implement it inside the bubble and all that stuff. For now, I just want to see it work. In the upcoming video, I will handle it. So for now, all I want to do is here I will add just a test case where if message dot is image, and I will make it if it's false. So what I just wrote is similar to writing message.image is equal false. I keep what I was doing so far, else if the message.isImage equal true. In that case, I will import Kingfisher. And again, what I'm just writing currently, it's not something that will stay forever. It's just for now to be able to test it. Then we will make it a bubble and all that stuff. Anyway, so it will be kf image with URL, and it will be URL with a string, and it will be message.message text. We will make it resizable. We will give it a frame with width and height. I will give it a width of 180 and a height of 100. It will be scale to fill. I will give it padding of horizontal and padding of top 6, and I will give it also a clip shape of rounded rectangle with a corner radius of 15. Okay, perfect. I'm also going to do the same thing for this case. So also here I will add the same condition. So if not message.isImage, in that case, so show me what you were showing, else show me the same thing that I just wrote here. Okay, and that's all I probably need. So, and again, like I said, so let's run it. Hopefully everything will be working. And like I said, in the next video or the one after, I will handle how to place it inside a bubble and all that stuff. But for now, let's just be sure that it's working. Okay, perfect. That's bottom. Now, when I click on my image, okay, I made a mistake of I think putting the wrong one, but anyway, so let's give it my image. Okay, perfect. As you can see, the image was added. Of course, it's not right yet. It should be here in the right and all that stuff, but for now it's working perfectly. The one thing for me that is annoying is I don't want this one to show the image. That one is for the video. I want the other one. So let's go to our chat view and let's keep it a button, but just without any action for now. Okay, and when we will place camera.fill inside button, action and label, and it will be here, it will be camera.fill, and for the action it will be view model dot show if okay, I wrote it wrong, so it will be view model dot show photo picker dot toggle. Okay, and I think we are going to see another issue that we need to handle is it's in the inbox view. When we send an image, I don't want him to show me the image URL. As you can see, you see it's showing me the image URL. That's not what I want. When it's an image, I wanted to write send an image. Anyway, we will handle it in the next video, but for now, all I want, as you can see, to be able to send an image in real time. So if I send another image in real time, okay, hopefully, as you can see, it was added. In the next video, we will handle it being in the right or in the left, and being inside a bubble and all that stuff. But for now, I'm happy with what we achieved. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.